All right, guys, we're gonna make breakfast for my chickens. All right, that's cooking up good. Okay, we're getting closer to done. I quickly Googled spices that were beneficial to chickens, and so we're gonna add some in. It said garlic, but I have garlic powder, so we're gonna put garlic powder. Oregano. I don't remember all the reasoning, but it looks good. Cayenne pepper. And cinnamon. One was for blood flow, one was for fighting off internal parasites. Then I have some eggshells that I haven't fed them yet, so I'm gonna sprinkle those on top. Oh, it's crunchy topping. Here's a look at the eggs. Let's go feed the chickens. Y'all better eat all that. I made y'all a good breakfast.